All right, we'll go back on the record. The case People versus Brandon Martin, RA 1506112. Record should reflect Mr. Martin is present for both counsel. People are present and all members of our deliberating jury are present. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen.
Good afternoon.
I understand that the jury has reached verdicts. Juror number 8, are you our foreperson?
Yes, I am.
All right, and just the only question I have for you is it verdicts on all 7 counts and all allegations?
Yes.
All right, if you could give the verdict forms to the deputy. All right, we'll direct that the clerk please read the verdicts. Counsel stipulated that the caption need only be read once.
Yes.
Superior Court of California, County of Riverside, the people of the state of California versus Brandon Willie Martin. Case number RIF 1506112. Verdict: we, the jury, in the above entitled action, find the defendant, Brandon Willie Martin, guilty of a violation of Section 187, Subdivision A of the Penal Code. Murder of Barry S. is charged under Count 1 of the amended information. 3 of offense, first degree. Dated November 4th, 2020, signed by juror number 8, foreperson. Findings: we, the jury, in the above entitled action, find the defendant, Brandon Willie Martin, in the commission of the offense charged under Count 1 of the amended information, personal use of deadly and dangerous weapons, with a bat, within the meaning of Penal Code Section 1222, Subdivision B, Subsection 1, and 1192.7, Subdivision C, Subsection 23, dated November 4th, 2020, signed by juror number 8, foreperson. Verdict: we, the jury, in the above entitled action, find the defendant, Brandon Willie Martin, guilty of violation of Section 187, Subdivision A of the Penal Code. Murder of Michael M. as charged under Count 2 of the amended information. Degree of offense, first degree. Dated November 4th, 2020, signed by juror number 8, foreperson. Findings: we, the jury, in the above entitled action, find the defendant, Brandon Willie Martin, in the commission of the offense charged under Count 2 of the amended information, personal use of deadly and dangerous weapons, to wit, a bat, within the meaning of Penal Code Section 1222, Subdivision B, Subsection 1, and 1192.7, Subdivision C, Subsection 23, dated November 4th, 2020, signed by juror number 8, foreperson. Verdict: we, the jury, in the above entitled action, find the defendant, Brandon Willie Martin, guilty of a violation of Section 187, Subdivision A of the Penal Code. Murder of Ricky A. as charged under Count 3 of the amended information. Degree of offense, first degree. Dated November 4th, 2020, signed by juror number 8, foreperson. Findings: we, the jury, in the above entitled action, find the defendant, Brandon Willie Martin, in the commission of the offense charged under Count 3 of the amended information, personally used a deadly and dangerous weapon, to wit, a bat, within the meaning of Penal Code Section 1222, Subdivision B, Subsection 1, and 1192.7, Subdivision C, Subsection 23, dated November 4th, 2020, and by juror number 8, foreperson. Findings: the jury, in the above entitled action, find that the defendant, Brandon Willie Martin, has committed multiple murders as alleged in the allegation of special circumstance, within the meaning of Penal Code Section 190.2, Subdivision A, Subsection 3. Dated November 4th, 2020, signed by juror number 8, foreperson. Verdict: we, the jury, in the above entitled action, find the defendant, Brandon Willie Martin, guilty of a violation of Section 2800.2 of the Vehicle Code, evading a peace officer, as charged under Count 4 of the amended information, dated November 3rd, 2020, signed by juror number 8, foreperson. Verdict: we, the jury, in the above entitled action, find the defendant, Brandon Willie Martin, guilty of a violation of Section 69 of the Penal Code, obstruct executive officer, as charged under Count 5 of the amended information, dated November 3rd, 2020, signed by juror number 8, Verdict: we, the jury, in the above entitled action, find the defendant, Brandon Willie Martin, guilty of a violation of Section 600, Subdivision A of the Penal Code, harming, interfering, police dog, as charged under Count 6 amended information. Dated November 3rd, 2020, signed by jury member 8, 4 persons. Verdict. Is there any above entitled action by the defendant Brandon Willie Martin, guilty of violation of section 10851, subdivision A of the vehicle code, take or drive a vehicle unlawfully, charged under count 7 of the amended information, dated November 3rd, 2020, signed by jury member 8, 4 persons. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, produce your verdicts and findings.
Does either side wish the jury to poll people?
No, Your Honor.
Defense?
Yes.
All right. Can we do them all at once as to all counts?
Yes.
Right.
Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, as to the verdicts and findings just read, please respond if this is your individual verdicts and findings. Please respond yes or no. Juror number 1. Juror number 2. Juror number 3.
Yes.
Juror number 4. Juror number 5.
Yes.
Juror number 6. Yes. Juror number 7. Juror number 8. Yes. Juror number 9. Juror number 10. Juror number 11.
Yes.
Juror number 12.
Yes.
All right, both sides stipulate that the verdicts may be recorded as read.
So stipulated.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, obviously based on the verdicts and findings that you have made, there will be a second phase of the trial. The second phase will begin on Monday, November 9th. So you will not need to be here tomorrow, Thursday, not Friday, obviously. We're typically taking Fridays off in any event. And I will need some time to discuss some issues before we get started, and then obviously the lawyers have to get that part of the trial together. So we will be reconvening on Monday morning at 9:30, and continue on, obviously, with the second phase of the trial. Just to let all of you know, there is a demonstration that's planned downtown Riverside today at 3 o'clock. It has nothing to do with this case. It has to do, obviously, with our elections. Okay. And so the courthouse is actually closing at 2 o'clock. And so I'm letting you know that just so that you don't know about downtown area. We'd ask that when you leave the courtroom that you head directly to your vehicles and then home. We have no idea what the demonstration will be like, but it has been scheduled for 2 o'clock, so you'll have plenty of time to leave the downtown area and obviously. So we will be returning on Monday, November 9th at 9:30 a.m. And we'll see all of you back then. All right, our deliberating jurors have left the court. So, gentlemen, we'll leave it at this. If your communications between both sides, you do not believe that you need any time of the court tomorrow, that's fine. Just simply email that clerk, and we'll obviously end Monday at 9:30. If, however, you do need the court's assistance in solving any issues, you can come in tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock. Give the counsel that I have a 2 hours in the morning tomorrow, but I'd rather delay that and then accommodate each gentleman as far as. So we'll either see you tomorrow morning or not. If we don't, if you could between now and then, give me requests for penalty phase portion of the trial for instructions. You can get in on Monday.
Maybe I'll email a copy to Donna.
That'd be fine. Defense counsel. All right. Is there anything else then that we need to discuss?
No.
Defense?
No, thank you. No.
All right. Then we'll either see you tomorrow morning at 9 or Monday morning at 9. Right. We'll plan on having Mr. Martin here, and if we hear in the morning that we'll be sent back to the jail. He does not need to be arrested. All right. Thank you, gentlemen.
Thank you, Judge.